Okay, hello everyone. This is Awasthi from Global Engineering College, Jabalpur. So we are going to present our major project, Heart and Me.
My name is Satyam Tamrakar. I am also a member of this project, whose title is Heart and Me.
So,
So let's take you
so
forward
Satyam, what
now.
what is actually about Heart and Me? What is Heart and Me? So let's just jump onto the other slide. There's a team member name, there's a table of content, and now what's the problem? What kind of problem we are solving here? So each and everyone knows how deadly the heart disease are, and the major and the most concerning part of the heart disease is that nobody knows when and where he will get a heart stroke. So what's the actual problem behind it? Because each and every a person who is getting a heart stroke in future, so there are some kind of artery blockage are there. So there is no direct way to predict there is a artery blockage or not. So for that, we have made an ML heart attack predictor who is able to predict a person heart health. It is customized for the persons to person. So in because in many person the heart attack artists get blocked in some percentage, and in another person it may differ from some another percentage. So here this ML heart attack predictors helps a lot. So that's all for that. Solving that problem, we have presented our project ML heart attack predictor heart and me, and that's all about the thing we have already discussed. And for solving this kind of problem, we have trained multiple models from logistic regressions, from the KNN, from random forest, and we have identified the random forest classifiers works so well here. And we have also integrated the ChatGPT API, so it will help to generate the detailed report about the patient. So for designs and implementation part, Satyam, can you please take over it?
Here we have used the Django as the backend framework, and we have built a web application which has different interfaces for user, doctor, and admin. Here we have used the machine learning algorithm called random forest classifier, and for report generation we have used the OpenAI. So the user can get what are the symptoms and what it should do next. And the database we have used for local purposes, SQLite, and data we have taken from the Kaggle. And we also implement a payment gateway for medicine, buying medicine, and all the stuff that need payments.
So ultimately, we are going to present the complete solution related to heart diseases. Because the heart diseases is not about only the prediction; it's also about the precautions and all kind of issues related to heart diseases. The medicines of heart diseases are also very much hard to get. So we have also integrated a shopping website especially for all kind of medicines. So he and she can easily buy, and he can also consult with the doctors in that streamline. For that, I'm jumping to the next slide. So first discuss about the what kind of algorithm data flow is. So here's we get the data, and collecting the heart disease data, we extract the significant variables. What kind of variable it is? It's the blood pressures, sugar level, and whether a person is male, female, age, and what kind of pain level he is getting on a heart, or is it a normal? Is he or she has any kind of breathing issues? That kind of significant variable we have extracted for that thing, which a persons need to enter manually or automatically with their smart watches or some kind of IoT devices. So after that data, we pre-process that data and split that data into the two parts. First is training data and second is the testing data, because that's the main part for training any ML algorithm. And training data, we train that data using KNN, logistic regression, and random forest classifier, and in which we have get the random forest classifier has the best. So we have chosen that model for our heart attack predictions, and after that model we have tested that model with the test data, and we have created our final model. In that final model, whether if a new person comes and enter his or her heart disease that significant futures, then he and she will get whether a person have a heart disease or not. And we have also integrated the open AI, so they, using that classifier result and the data that uh, that a person given to him, using all that data, if OpenAI API generates the detailed report about the person. So now let's jump into the use case diagram. So first the person has to come to our website, log in and sign up to our website. And after that login and sign up, he will get to know about the three interfaces: heart disease prediction, doctor consult with the private chat options, and e-medi store. So in this, if a person want to go directly to e-medicine, he can go. If a person wants to consult with the doctor, he can or he can directly go with the heart disease prediction. So he can generate his or her heart related heart health report, and that report is also being transferred to the doctor if he or she wants to checkup for the doctor. If a person's getting heart disease or his heart is not healthy, so we will directly uh, uh, pass that person to the doctor consult private room, so he can consult with the doctor, and with that consistency he can doctor can forward him to the hospital if there is a kind of urgency, or if they if that person can easily be treated with the medicine, so doctor will just make that person pass to the medical store and e-medical store, in which all the prescribed medicines of doctors can directly buy. You don't even need to add this on your card. And for that payment purpose, we have used the reserve pay payment gateway. So let's so that's our major project. So implementation is needed. So that's our first front page, in which you got three options: check heart disease, consult with doctors and medicines. And in which, if I go to the check with heart disease, so you have to sign up and login options also there. And in this, we have used Django admins. After that, there is two type of sign up is there. First for the patient sign up, second is the doctor sign up, because the doctors already also been registered in this website, so he can able to consult with the patients. So that's about the mobile or responsive design. So it can adjust according to the size, so it will look like that on a smaller devices. So that's the page of the heart disease predictor. In this, if an IoT device is connected to our website, so it can directly fetch all the features, or if not, a person can manually enter that features also. And after that small checksum, and yes, he needs to submit this report. After that report, you will get to know whether a person have a heart disease or not. And after that, a report is also being generated. There's a private report which is not being displayed on a website. It will be downloaded to the patient only, or if he or she wants, it can be forwarded to the doctors. And that's some kind of features which we are using: age, sex, chest pain, rest, blood pressure, plus fasting, blood sugar level, and the maximum heart rate achieved, exercise induced, and all kind of this thing. So these are all our feeds. That's the workflow in which first we have trained the logistic regression. So training and pre-processing, that is same, which we have already discussed in previous slide. And consult with the doctor is our major highlight, because if a person, or let's imagine a scenario, you are sitting on a chair and doing some computation work, and you day-to-day life, and you suddenly feel you are some kind of pain on your chest, or you're feeling some kind of discomfort. So you can directly just come to our website and do that heart, heart disease predictions test, and after that test, it can easily be forwarded to the doctor So doctor can easily able to understand whether it is really a heart disease, or if a person really needs to go to the hospital, or it can easily be treated with the medicine for now, or that kind of suggestion easily be done by the doctor. So doctor indication is really very important for our website. So for consent, you have to create a chat room. That's a private chat room with the doctor. It has to be scheduled according to that thing. So okay, there's a technology stack. Satyam, do you want to highlight all kind of technology stack which we are using?
Okay, so I will explain what technology we are using. So first you can see we are using MongoDB as a database. Then second we are using Django framework of Python, which is very good for making fast or flexible application. And we have used the machine learning library with Python. And we have used the random forest classifier for classifying whether the heart disease or not. And we use the OpenAI for report generation, like whatever we the output get from the classifier and the parameter, it's going to generate a report. So the user can know what is wrong about that, what parameter, what things is good or not. The second thing is we have used Panda and NumPy for transforming the data, the, and Skylin for getting those random forest classifier implementation. And now we have use make a web application. So we have use of JavaScript for front end and HTML and CSS. And Tailwind is CSS for making the website responsive and quickly to style, and Bootstrap for making some widgets in our application. For deploying our application, so it works same as in our by computer. We have used the Docker for containerize the application, so it will work on every platform from, or we can deploy easily without any problem. So we have deployed Lua in some days in Amazon Elastic Container Services, and we have used the Pay for payment gateway for buying medicine and all of those things.
That's wonderful,
So
Satyam.
let's forward
That
to the
means we
one.
have already deployed our project in Amazon EC2 containers and also the reserve pay payment kit. That means it is ready for the market. And what's kind of revenue generation? Each and every project has some kind of capital benefit also. So without the capital benefit, it's hard to be run any business, even it's for the public welfare. So for that, we have created some models like subscription models for the hospitals and the doctors, because we are getting them patients and the medicines which are going to so sales from our e-medicines store. So they, that will be our major source of contribution. That's kind of analysis and approximate thing we will getting. But for the major project perspective, let's just skip it. Now there's the time to end our presentation with the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. So what's the strength? What's the strength of our project? It carries the 90% accuracy of prediction result of heart attack. It even sometimes more than 98% if the data are too much filtered. And what are the weaknesses with our project? If any parameter miss out, there are the less accuracy. And if a person has manually misentered the fields, so maybe he or she can get a wrong prediction. So that's the concern point. And after what kind of opportunity upgradation of data sets with the help of the user data, as our application will grow in future, more and more person will come to our website, and they will get to know uh, what kind of opportunity they are seeking for, and with using with that data we can train our model more and more accurate. And what kind of threat? System manipulations are one of the major threat, and data corruption and data poisoning is the main basic threat, which are all based on any kind of ML based model or kind of any ML based application. So that's all about our presentations. We hope you like our presentation. So there's a reference we have taken.